Gentlemen, are you tired of the same old routine on the weekends? Are you looking for new and exciting things to do? In this video, I'll be sharing some ideas on how to make the most of your weekend as a man. Whether you're looking for relaxation, adventure, or something between, I've got you covered. So if you're interested to break out of your weekend rut and try something new, keep watching. First idea I have for you is to get active and go on an outdoor adventure. It could be riding a bike, taking a walk, or just visiting a new place. Next idea I have for you is to try a new hobby or activity. This could be anything from cooking, printing, drawing, making videos, YouTube videos like this, or just doing something you've never done before, learning how to swim. So that's it. Try a new hobby or activity. And this leads me to my third idea, and that is take a day trip or weekend getaway. Explore a new city or town, or go on road trip to somewhere you have never been before. So that's something you can try. Just take a day off during the weekend and just travel somewhere you've never been and explore and see and meet new people. And the fourth idea I have for you is to catch up on some self-care. Spend some time relaxing and pampering yourself, whether it's at a spa or at home. Yeah, relax, pamper yourself, get your grooming game on. You could edge out your beard if you've got a beard, or you could just do some face wash and get your face all clean and set, or you could visit the spa. So make sure you spend time to give yourself self-care during the weekends. And the next idea I have for you, which is my fifth idea, is have a movie marathon or game night with friends. Invite some friends over and spend the evening watching movies or playing games. That's something that would actually make your weekend amazing and interesting, and to give you opportunities to catch up with your friends at the same time. So this leads me to my next idea, which is number 6. Get involved in your community. Volunteer your time and find a way to give back to your community. A lot of times we're so caught up with our own things and what we do that we do not spend time to actually give back. So during the weekend is an opportunity for you to go somewhere and do some work and help people and touch lives. Idea number 8, plan a special outing or date with your significant other. Whether it's a fancy dinner or a fun activity, make the most of the time together. So if you're in a relationship or you've got a significant other, that's the time for you to plan out something and take her out and have an amazing time. Idea number 9, get creative and try a DIY project. This could be from building a furniture to creating art. There are so many DIY you could do online. Just Google YouTube and get DIY for men or whatever it is, and you see something that you can do yourself and just have an amazing time building and being creative on the weekend. And this leads me to my last but not least idea. Get out of your comfort zone and try something completely new. This could be anything from bungee jumping or trying a new cuisine or just doing something you have never ever done before. And at the end of the day, you are going to be glad you did that. I hope these ideas have inspired you to make the most of your weekend. And always remember, gents, you are the prize.